Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a nice 9-drawer French dresser that we're going to paint navy blue. So follow along as we sand it down and get this piece transformed into something pretty nice. Alright, step one is going to be to pull all the drawers out, remove the hardware. When we do that, we're going to look at the tracks, make sure everything internally looks secure, tight, and all there. We'll even check the legs, make sure they're bolted from the back nice and tight. Looks like the top's been worn down a little bit, it's got tape on it, and some other sticky stuff, so we'll be sanding that off. But let's get these handles off first. Alright, we got the piece to where we can start painting. Everything's been wiped down. So we're going to start with the drawers. We're going to use our Behr Premium Plus paint and primer. And we're going to do a navy blue. We've done quite a few of these recently. They're very popular. So let's keep with the trend. So we've got our paint. We're going to use our big brush. And we're just going to go to town. Alright, so we've got it painted. Now what we're going to do is just put a nice layer of wax on it, and then we'll get it under the tree so we can get some nice pictures of this piece finished. Alright, here it is. 9-drawer French style navy. Well, it's actually called rich navy blue. I think it came out pretty nice. You've seen the before, now you see the after. Quite a difference. If you like this and many of our other projects, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and start subscribing to our channel. But also leave us a thumbs up and a comment. Tell us what you think of the blue.